Hi, I am Vikas from Creative Minds Factory. How can I help you today?
Hello, my name is Margaret Books. I am reaching out to discuss the development of our brand identity for Wonderways and to explore how your expertise can help us create a strong and distinctive presence in the travel industry.
Thank you so much for calling. Can you tell me a little about your business?
Certainly. Wonderways is a travel agency I founded with the vision of offering exclusive and curated tours to the 7 wonders of the world. Our goal is to provide our clients with unforgettable travel experiences, combining luxury, personalized service, and in-depth exploration of these iconic landmarks. We strive to make each journey unique, ensuring that our travelers not only visit these wonders but also immerse themselves in the culture and history surrounding them.
Great. Can you tell me what product or services you provide?
We offer a range of specialized travel packages that focus on the 7 wonders of the world. Our services include curated tour packages, comprehensive itineraries that cover all 7 wonders, including transportation, accommodation, and guided tours, personalized travel planning, customizable itineraries tailored to individual preferences and interests, luxury accommodations, partnerships with top-tier hotels and resorts to ensure a comfortable and premium stay, exclusive experiences, private tours, behind-the-scenes access, and unique cultural activities that enhance the overall travel experience. 24/7 customer support, dedicated support to assist our clients before, during, and after their trips.
Very nice. Can you just tell me, how did you hear about us?
I was referred to your services by a colleague in the travel industry who highly recommended your expertise in brand identity design. After reviewing your portfolio and hearing positive feedback about your work, I decided to reach out to see how we could collaborate to elevate Wonderways.
Thank you. I have got the idea. You need brand identity design service from us. If this is true, I can surely help with this. To start the project with us, next step is to fill our creative brief, and then I will share the price quotation with you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I will fill the brief and get back to you. Bye. Have a good day.
After that conversation, she filled out the creative brief. Now let me import the creative brief here. Here is the creative brief. Let's read this quickly and highlight important things. So Wonderways is our brand name. Wonderways is a premium travel agency specializing in exclusive, luxurious tour packages to the 7 wonders of the world. We aim to provide adventure seekers with unparalleled travel experiences, focusing on world-famous landmarks that have inspired awe for centuries. Wonderways is a new entrant in the luxury travel industry. And they want to be the leading luxury travel agency providing exclusive, curated tours to the 7 wonders of the world, known for excellence, exclusivity, and awe-inspiring adventures. Their brand personality is like warm, professional, and passionate about exploration. Their communication style is engaging and informative while maintaining a tone of luxury and exclusivity. Their objective is to develop a comprehensive brand identity for Wonderways that clearly communicates the brand's focus on luxury, exclusivity, and adventure. The branding should position Wonderways as the premier choice for travelers seeking curated experiences to the 7 wonders of the world. Their goal is to build a visual identity that sets Wonderways apart from other luxury travel agencies, ensuring the brand is perceived as unique, high-end, and trustworthy from the very start. They have also given some information about their target audience. In this course, we will be working on logo design, color palette, typography, brand guidelines, and so many other things. Now we have a creative brief, and we have done first call with the client. In the next video, we will learn how to prepare and send quotation to the client and how to send an agreement to the client.